How to remove Samsung FRP lock. So the factory reset protection is a security feature that requires the Google account previously used on the device after a factory reset. So the first method to, removing the Samsung FRP lock is signing in with your previous Google account. So after a factory reset, enter the Google account that was previously synced to the device. The steps you'd follow would be to complete the setup process that pops up after a factory reset. When prompted, enter the Google account email, enter your correct password, and continue the setup. Now, the second option is recovering your Google account. So all you need to do here is, if you've forgotten your password, you can recover your account first. So visit Google Account Recovery on your phone, verify your identity, reset the password, and return to this phone that you're trying to remove the FRP lock from, and then sign into it. And then the third option would be to simply wait after a password change. So if you've recently changed your Google password, Android may temporarily block activation. So wait for 24 hours. And then lastly, contact Samsung support. If you're a owner and you can't access your account, Samsung support may be able to help you out with that. All right, guys.